Welcome to this training video on using the ERA system to manage researcher profiles. The ERA system provides researchers with a user-friendly one-stop shop for research administration. This includes the management of publications and the functionality to build researcher profiles based on generated research outputs and academic engagements. In this video, you'll learn how to manage your profile information and capture CV activities from the ERA dashboard. You can start off the process by logging into the profile dashboard. Please watch the orientation video for more information on how to navigate the ERA system and how to log in. Each time you log in as a researcher into the ERA, you will land on your profile dashboard. If you're logging in for the first time, you may want to take a look at what may be preloaded for you on your profile. The left side menu allows you to explore what currently exists under your profile. By clicking on the Publications link under Research Output, this allows you to view journal articles, conference papers, books, and other research outputs linked to you. You can quickly view the number of publications under your profile, as well as the visibility of each research output. Click the title of one of these research outputs for a more expanded, detailed view. New publications and CV activities can be added to your profile using the Add New Content button. Please watch the Capturing Research Output video for a step-by-step guide on capturing a publication. Later in this video, we'll go through capturing a CV activity. Once a research output or CV activity has been captured, it will appear on the Research Outputs or CV Activities list, respectively, on the left side menu. Your dashboard also allows you to view all items that require your attention, as well as those that have been recently edited by you, but this section may be blank the first time you log in. You can also view and manage your account information in the Settings page. This you can find in the drop-down menu under your name. Your Settings page allows you to specify how you'd like to receive notifications from the system, and you can also delegate your profile to someone else. Delegating your profile allows someone else to manage your profile on your behalf. You can also link your profile to your existing ORCID account, or you can register for a new ORCID account straight from the Settings page. Be sure to complete all the required steps and information, and then click Authorize. From the dashboard, you can edit personal information that appears on your profile. This includes contact details, work-related affiliations, your research profile, and NRF information. Your personal information is available on the Key Information tab. It is important to note that staff, student, and third-party information can only be changed in their primary sources, the HR 101 form, PeopleSoft, or through your third-party administrator. Upload a profile picture by browsing your computer to select an image. Once you have found a suitable image, click Open for it to be imported onto your profile. You can save changes at this point, or you can continue to update the rest of your profile first. The Work Affiliations tab allows you to view your past and present affiliations with UCT. This information cannot be edited in the ERA system as it comes from the HR, third-party, and PeopleSoft systems. You can only change this information in the source systems. On the Research Profile tab, you can update your research interest information. Use the plus buttons to add more information by looking up or searching. You can manage any NRF information on the NRF tab at the end. Once you have captured your information, you're ready to save any changes made to your profile by selecting an appropriate workflow step. It's not advisable to choose an inactive status, as this means that you cannot be linked to publications or other entities within the system. Select Active Internally Visible if you do not want your information to be publicly visible on the portal yet. This means that it will only be visible within the ERA system and to users who are able to see the activities within your department. Set the status as active, publicly visible, if you're happy with the information from this section and would like your information to be displayed on the Research Portal. At this point, you can enter a new CV activity by going to the Add New Content button and then choosing CV Activity. The Add New CV Activity page allows you to select the type of CV activity that you want to add to your profile. If you're unsure of which CV activity you need to add, use the description section on the right-hand side that explains each CV activity option that is available. For example, if you select the Employment History tab, you can add new employment information to your profile. You can add the type of activity, the name of the activity, the organization you work for, as well as a description. You can add start and end dates, the sector name, and other information in the section. Once completed, click Save to save what you've done and remain on the same page to continue editing, or Save and Close to save on an appropriate workflow step and exit this page. Just like your profile information, you can save your CV activities in different workflow steps. Choose Draft if you'd like to come back and edit this information. Choose Validated Internally Visible only if you want this information visible within the ERA system and not publicly on the portal. If you're happy with the information and you want it visible both on the ERA system and publicly on the portal, choose Validated Publicly and Internally Visible. Alternatively, you can undo the changes by clicking on Cancel. For now, I'm going to click on Done. You may now want to view what your updated profile looks like. To see your internally visible profile, you can click here. To see the externally visible profile, simply go to the portal from the dashboard. Search for your name using the general search and view your profile. This is what your profile will look like when accessed on the public portal by other users. Congratulations! You've now successfully completed and updated your research profile. Be sure to check out our Capturing Research Outputs video for a step-by-step guide on how you can add a new research output to your profile.